In this video, I will be showing you how to upload a file to your portal. Before beginning, it's important to select which case you want to upload a document to in the event you have more than one case with ArcFarm. To find this information, go to the top left of your screen and look at Case. By clicking this drop-down menu, you can see that I have two cases, Test Case and Test 2. For this example, I'm going to stay in Test 2. There are three different ways that you can upload a file. Beginning on the dashboard, there are two buttons in the top right corner, Send a Message or Upload File. Click Upload File and a window will pop up for you to drag and drop, or you can click the box and it will pull up your files for you to select. For this example, I'm going to click in the box. You will see it will pop up with all of my documents I want to upload. If you want to drag and drop, you can open your Finder and see your documents here to drag and drop. The other way this can be done is by files. So you can see after that file upload was successful, it took me automatically to this section. If you wanted to start by uploading it here, you can see the upload button in the top left corner. Click upload and the same window will pop up with the same options. You can click in the box and it will open your files, or you can drag and drop the same way. The third way this can be done is through a message to your team. I'm going to navigate to the Messages section and click the blue button that says Create Message. In the message window, you can see that there is an option to include an attachment. You can click and it will open your documents, or you can drag and drop like you did previously. In order to review the files that you've uploaded, go back to the Files section and you will see them here. I hope this is helpful, and please feel free to reach out with any further questions.